Hi everyone, today I will introduce you the desktop companion robot Afobot. QNAP System Sync is a global leader in NAS, providing comprehensive and advanced NAS network storage and image monitoring solutions. QNAP is also the world's first NAS vendor with integrated technologies of IoT, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Afobot can be used as a development platform for AIoT and robot in various industries and is expected to evolve into an intelligent management hub to create more possibilities for human life. So Afobot has an 8-inch screen and a 5-watt speaker. There are 2 microphones on both sides of the screen and the 5 million lens pixels on the top. We can see that the lens can be rotated up to the down 100 degrees and part of the body can be rotated 360 degrees. Afobot has 3 external devices with Type-C SD card and Type-A jack under the fuselage. There is a network port on the rear of the fuselage which can be used for wired or wireless and supports Bluetooth. Afobot adopts 8-core Cortex-A53 built-in DDR3 2GB and has 5200 mAh battery and has a battery life of 3 hours. It is recommended to use the plug-in. For the video companion part, we provide the peer-to-peer video calling, face recognition, voice control, remote desktop and many other SDKs. We cooperate with Google Nuance in voice in addition to Chinese, English and Japanese. We also have multi-language and QNAP NAS is a function extension providing monitoring applications and can be customized for enterprise users. Currently it has cooperated with banks, hospitals and hotels. Provides voice search for music, movies, radio and weather on average home users to increase home entertainment.